Apparo tutorials. Business case sets. This tutorial covers business case sets. We show you how to create a set, and how to merge the containing business cases into a one-piece application. We start again with the already known business cases, and have added 3 more topic-related business cases. To create a set, click New, and then select the set. We see the main settings of the business case set, and under Available, we see all existing business cases. With the checkbox, Show business cases of the current folder only, we reduce the selection to the business case set project folder. The second checkbox disables the folder path. Under Notes, we can enter a description or internal documentation. Only designer users can see this. Like other business cases, the set requires an identifier and a name. Under Security Group, we can specify the groups that are authorized to access. If empty, then all users have access. The next input field is a text filter for the available business cases. You can add business cases to the set with a double click, or by dragging with the mouse. Also possible are the arrow keys. The first moves all marked, and the second moves all visible business cases to the set. The order can also be changed with the mouse or the arrow keys. If you click on Next, the business case set will be created, and we will see the main settings again. In the Colors menu, you can set the text and background colors of active and inactive tabs. Under Tab Widths, you can change the width for every single tab. The global set filters will be used later in this tutorial. In the Link Into menu, you can link this set to the portal, or the underlying BI system. We run the set for the first time. We see 5 tabs, containing the selected business cases, and we could already use them. This business case should serve as an overview and entry point. We need drop-down filters for product line and product. In this business case, we want to edit the details of the selected product. We need a filter for product ID. In the next 2 business cases, we also need a filter for product ID. In the last business case, we want to add new products to the selected product line, therefore we need a filter for product line ID. We close this set for now, and add the required filters to the containing business cases. First we delete the checkbox filter, because we don't need it. Next we activate the separate filter page. This feature allows us to force the user to select product line and product. Then we edit the product line ID filter. We change the type to Lookup drop-down, which allows to select only one product line. Product line ID is already mapped, so we can go to the Features tab. We set this filter to be shown on both Filter Page and Business Case. We also activate the mandatory checkbox. Then we set Lookup Table, Key, and Output Value. We add another drop-down filter for Product ID. We select Lookup drop-down, and map the column Product ID. In the Features tab, we set this widget to be shown on both pages, and also mandatory. And again we set Lookup Table, Key, and Output Value. We want this filter to display only products from the selected product line. Show all products, where product line ID is equal to the key of the selected product line. Let's run the business case to check the result. The filter page appears, and the user must select the mandatory filters. The business case displays the filtered result, and the user can still select other filters. In a set, the name of the business case is used as the label text in the tab page, so we change the name to a more meaningful. We also enter a header text, to match the appearance with the 3 new business cases. We close the business case. The close button is also saving the changes, then we edit the next business case. This business case shows the product details. It also needs a product ID filter widget. Since we hide the filter, we don't need a lookup drop-down, and can therefore use a simple input field. Filtering should only be possible on the overview page, so the filter widgets of the other business cases must be hidden. We also enter a more meaningful business case name, as well as a header and a line here. We edit the next business case now. We create a filter widget of type input field, map this widget to column product ID, and set the widget to be hidden for all users. Business case name and header text are already correctly prepared. We start the business case to check the result. The product column is already set to read-only, but the correct product is not yet inserted automatically. To do this, we edit the product ID widget. Here we use as default value, the value of the hidden filter widget. We close this business case, and edit the next one. Again, we create the filter widget, and set it as default value. We close this, and edit the last business case. This time, we need a filter widget for the product line ID, but all other steps are similar to the previous business cases. We have made all the necessary preparations, and can now set up the global business case set filters. The global set filter will connect all the filter widgets of the business cases in the set. We need one for the product filters, connecting all filter widgets via the product ID selected in the overview page. So we add all filters related to product ID with a double click. Then we create a second global filter, for all the product line filters. All business cases are now connected, and we can run the final test. The user is selecting product line and product. And gets to the overview page. On the next page he can edit the product details. On the product price page, the user can change the price. The new price is automatically set as the current price. On the next page, he can enter the sales from the last quarter. The selected product is still used as default. And on the last page, the user can enter a new product, for the selected product line. Then he can go back to the overview page, selecting the just created product. And entering the details for the new product. We are at the end of our business case set tutorial. Further improvements could be to remove unnecessary features and buttons. Also for this business case. Questions? Send an email to support@apparo.solutions.